Ah, yes, we all want some crispy fried cockroaches in our diet. Wait, hell no, we don't. This is disgusting. And beware, if you're buying tech at prices too good to be true, please watch this entire video. And I want to see a comment from all of you about what should happen with this Xbox One on the next video. Oh, it's not even open yet, and look at the body count. I think I ate a few. Oh. So disgusting. At this point, I just wanted that whole thing of sanitary wipes. Roach feces are really hard to scrub off anyways. What started out as a hard drive upgrade turned into a nightmare. Ugh, I know it's gross, but if you have an even grosser story, leave a comment. Don't be shy. I mean, for real.
At night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. They know that we're calling it love. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.